How to prevent the power button from shutting your laptop down. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can prevent the power button from shutting down your Windows laptop. So if you also have those occurrences whenever you randomly or accidentally press your power button and your laptop straight starts to shut down without giving you even the chance to save your files, then let me show you how you can fix this. So in order to fix this particular issue, all you will need to do is simply tune in a particular setting, which I will show you. So to do this, first go to the settings of your Windows computer. Now, once you are inside the settings, you can see this option that says system. So click onto the system, and within the system, you can see power and battery. Click onto the power and battery, and within the power and battery, you see this last option that says lid and power button controls. So simply click onto the lid and power button controls and it will expand. Now from here you can see that there are two cases. The first one is plugged in and the second one is on battery. Now if you would like that whenever the condition, like no matter the condition, even if your laptop is plugged in or on battery, if you have or someone presses the power button, your laptop does not goes to shut down. You can simply click onto this and from here choose do nothing. So if you will choose this to do nothing, whenever someone will press your power button while your PC is awakened, then your PC will not go to shut down. So this will help you to prevent accidental shutdowns. Now, similarly, do the same for on battery as well. Or apart from that, if you would like to change it to something else, let's say like sleep, or you want the to sleep instead of getting shut down, so you can also choose it to sleep as well. Now, once you're done with this, simply close your settings and you're good to go. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful to you, do make sure to give a like and also subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.